No way. Is this still holding on? Can we do another flip? Unbreakable, almost? So for today's video, I wanted to skate the worst skateboard that I've ever seen, but also the worst board that I've ever had. So I've had this skateboard for about a year, 2 years, something like that, and I've left it out in the rain, the sun, you name it. It's been snapped. The sun has completely just damaged this part. The wheels are actually pretty decent. The grip tape here is all bubbly and I don't even know what's going on with that. I'm curious to see if I can have a full skate session. This busted board, look at this. See. First impression, the sound is actually way scarier than skating the board. I think just this, and then it's vibrating somewhere. I don't know what the sound is. It could be the wood vibrating right here with this split, or I could have a flat spot on these wheels. I don't know. So I definitely can't pop with this side. I don't think it's good. Oh, geez. Yep. Okay. Nope. Can't pop there. Oh. Just doing that snapped even more. I'm gonna wax this sucker up and then try that again. If we stick, this board is broke. Okay, if I can do a 50-50 on this board, then I'm gonna try a mani. I think that the back is strong enough to hold the manual, but it does have a lot of stress. I'll take it. It's definitely splitting a little bit more though. Yikes. Put a pencil in there. Probably put my phone in there. Okay, I'm gonna try a manual. I hope that it doesn't break the board because I want to move to transition next. Woohoo! Okay, it's definitely strong enough. Now we're gonna move to transition and see what we can do. We're gonna hope for the best. Oh. Okay, surprisingly first try. Next on the list of skate park to-dos, the Euro. I'm going to attempt kickflip. Again, if I land anywhere like too far over, if I don't land straight bolts, it's gonna break. I'm really proud of the tail though. It's been holding on nice. A little bit more pressure cracks here. Okay, let's try and do a kickflip. We gotta do a couple other tricks first. I did step on it. I think we're okay. Okay, now I got it. Oh man. I have no words. This thing doesn't want to go out. Yikes. Oh, that was it. Oh, no! Okay. Well, now both ends are busted. Let's fix that. Yep. Okay, let's try and get a full line. See if we can do that with no pop on either side. There's no way. I don't have a tail or a nose to pop off of, so I'm gonna have to try and do a no pop trick. I'm gonna try to do a kickflip cancel flip right here with no pop. That's my goal. This one's actually not that bad. I actually need the camera to be a little bit closer so you can actually see the cancel flip. Oh. This board is absolutely ridiculous. I got this from Amazon for 30 bucks over a year ago. It's still kicking. Somehow the tail and the nose are still holding on. It can't pop, obviously, because it's like completely detached. Like, look at this. Yank. Like you can see, it's pretty bad. I was still able to do the cancel flip, but I can't do anything with pop, so it's just old school tricks for this board. But it's time for this board to retire. No way. Is this still holding on? Can we do another flip? This board's ridiculous. I'm gonna do this shove it, but make sure to stay highly random and highly caffeinated at all times. Come on. Yes. Woo-hoo-hoo. Are you kidding me, dude? Fakey shove. Like, unbreakable almost. Well, if you like this video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Nothing. Let's get rid of this thing. Dang.